next what we are trying to understand is identify some attacks against confidentiality, integrity, or availability. So just to give an example, say I have an information, a sensitive information, I lost the information somehow, and that information goes into the hands of somebody else. That is a violation of confidentiality. Or somebody has hacked into my machine and now they have access to all of my information. That is also another confidentiality violation. Now, integrity violation means somebody has hacked into my machine and they have modified the information. So the correctness of my information is lost. Or I'm sending an information from one location to another location. In between, that information is getting modified. So what I'm sending is one information, what the other person is receiving is a different information. So this is an integrity violation. And violations of availability, just to give an example, let us say I have a attack that has happened on my machine, and as a part of that attack, many information has been lost, deleted. That is a violation of availability because my information is no longer available. Or I have a web server or a web application that is being used by my customers or by the employees of my organization. If it is down, if that web application is down or if that server is down, again it is a violation of availability. So the purpose of this reel was to briefly go through the violations of confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Hope you have understood the concepts. And for more concepts, please contact RedTeam Hacker Academy.